Welcome back to where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles, exploring the latest models, timeless classics, and everything in between. If you're passionate about bikes, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at the 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000, a motorcycle that has been the epitome of power and style in the cruiser segment. Let's explore what makes this beast stand out. The Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 has always been a symbol of raw power and classic cruiser aesthetics. With its massive 2,053 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, it has dominated the roads since its inception. But what does the 2026 model bring to the table? Let's delve into its features, performance, and why it continues to be a favorite among motorcycle enthusiasts. At the heart of the 2026 Vulcan 2000 lies its formidable 2,053 cubic centimeters four-stroke V-twin engine. This powerhouse delivers an impressive 114 horsepower at 5,000 RPM and a torque of 191 Newton-meters at 2,800 RPM. The engine's design ensures smooth power delivery, making every ride exhilarating. Whether you're cruising on highways or navigating city streets, the Vulcan 2000 offers unmatched performance. The 2026 Vulcan 2000 comes equipped with a 5-speed transmission, allowing for seamless gear shifts. The belt final drive system ensures a smooth and quiet ride, reducing maintenance needs. This setup not only enhances performance, but also contributes to the bike's sleek design. The Vulcan 2000's chassis is built for stability and comfort. The steel double-cradle frame provides strength, while the 49mm hydraulic telescopic front forks and single-shock rear suspension offer a smooth ride, even on rough terrains. The 16-inch cast aluminum wheels, paired with 200/60 R series rear tires, ensure excellent grip and handling. Safety is paramount, and the 2026 Vulcan 2000 doesn't disappoint. It features dual 300mm front disc brakes with 4-piston calipers and a single rear disc brake with a 2-piston caliper. This setup provides powerful and consistent stopping power, ensuring rider confidence in various conditions. The 2026 Vulcan 2000 retains its classic cruiser look while incorporating modern design elements. The nacelle headlight cover gives it a high-class appearance, and the stretched 5.5-gallon fuel tank ensures long-distance comfort. The chrome instrument panel adds a touch of elegance, keeping the rider informed with a large face speedometer and LCD display. Long rides are a breeze with the Vulcan 2000's comfortable seating. The bucket-type front seat and sleek passenger seat provide all-day rider comfort. The ergonomics are designed to reduce fatigue, making it suitable for both short commutes and extended journeys. While the 2026 Vulcan 2000 focuses on classic cruiser appeal, it doesn't skimp on modern technology. The Engine Control Unit, ECU, manages electronic fuel injection and digital ignition, optimizing throttle response. The fuel injection system features subthrottle valves and fine atomizing injectors, delivering ultrafine fuel/air mixture for greater combustion efficiency and increased power. In Pakistan, the average used price of the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 Classic is approximately PKR 6,500,000. Prices may vary based on model year, mileage, and overall condition of the bike. It's advisable to check with local dealers for the most accurate pricing and availability. Like any motorcycle, the Vulcan 2000 may encounter some issues. Common problems include hard starting due to carburetor or spark plug issues, excessive vibration from the drivetrain, and poor fuel economy from an untuned engine. Regular maintenance and timely servicing can help address these issues and keep the bike running smoothly. When compared to other cruisers in its class, the Vulcan 2000 stands out with its massive engine displacement and torque. While competitors like Harley-Davidson offer stylish alternatives, the Vulcan 2000's performance and reliability make it a top choice for many riders. The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 continues to uphold its legacy as a powerful and stylish cruiser. With its impressive engine, smooth transmission, and classic design, it remains a favorite among motorcycle enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer, the Vulcan 2000 offers an unforgettable riding experience. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth look at the 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow motorcycle enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews, tips, and all things motorcycles. Until next time, ride safe and keep the throttle open. Horized.